point is, you guys have played a numerous number of roles so far and completely different from one another. When such film like Aranmanai comes to you and such roles comes to you, does that make an effect to you that this is what we want in our craft, this is what we want as an actor to grow as well? Is this kind of roles that you guys really want to pick for the craft?
I think I would also like to speak for Tawana because I know she probably feels the same. But I feel as an actor, you want to be able to do all kinds of films, and obviously some will be uh, places where you're not, where it's not very well written. So you do whatever that you get, you make the best out of it, and you try to create a character. Some where the whole onus of the film lies on your shoulder, which is great. That's also a film that we would like to do. We also like to do our singing and dancing because I really enjoy that in films. I enjoy commercial films. I enjoy content films. So aisa, I mean, obviously, when we are doing a film, we want to see if the script. Sometimes the script is great. Sometimes the director is great. Sometimes the co-star is great. So I think the decision matters on the whole कि हमें क्या मिल रहा है उस फिल्म से, और हम हर तरह के किरदार करना चाहते हैं. तो I think a film even like Aranmane, because I was a part of Aranmane 3 and I know the way it was made, and I didn't even listen to the script. Honestly, I don't think a lot of people know this, but मैंने script सुनी नहीं थी, story सुनी नहीं थी. मुझे सिर्फ सुंदर सर ने कॉल किया और बोला मैं अरनमने 4 बना रहा हूँ, I want you in the film. And I said, sir, I'd love to be a part of it. और मैंने script सुनी थी बैठ के उनके साथ जब मैं शॉट दे रही थी, सर मुझे बताना जरा हो क्या रहा है. And then he said, okay, this is your character, this is what is happening. And it came from this internal belief that I had in him about the film that he will make. As I said, he is the master of that genre, and he has proven that with the series. तो कभी कभी आपको वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होता है एक फिल्म मेकर में, और ऐसे ही आपकी जर्नी आगे चलती है. अगर आप एक ही तरह की फिल्में करते रहेंगे तो आप भी बोर हो जाएंगे और ऑडियंस भी आपसे बोर हो जाएगी. तो आई थिंक फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट our kitty is full of things which are all different from each other. Yeah.